to where we watch these three, or we can do it to where we watch these three. There you go.
Yeah.
Any of these three. Hold it on both hands at all times. Please do not feed the big guys, otherwise we'll lose them forever. Alright.
Oh. Come on. Oh, nice. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hold your palm like that. Yep.
No, you don't get it.
There you go.
No.
Rosalind? Everyone say hi, Rosalind!
Hi, Rosalind.
Hi, Rosalind. Oh, she open your eyes?
I would open your eyes.
Yeah! Let's give her a round! Yeah, other places around the world, people actually like to eat just right here.
Alright, guys, this is the albino Burmese python. This species of snake is actually the third largest in the entire world.
Did something cool called Extreme Encounters, where you guys can grab yourselves up this beautiful albino Burmese python.
Is that rolling? No, no! Use your zoom! No! Oh, no! No, not again! Craftsman! Oh, oh! Ursula! Craftsman, talk to me, big man! Talk to me! You got a burp on camera. Smile, smile. Nice. Sorry, boss. Nice. Up, smile. Up.
That's up there. He's not there.
He's right there. Yeah, he's right there.
Oh, perfect. Chester! Let's throw it in there. Nice! Chester! Alright, Chase. Come here, man.
Jeez.
Put this here. Oh, God. It's about 90 pounds. Don't step on her tail, okay? Because I can't help you if you do.
Okay.
Oh, she's going by your ear. By your ear. No, I'm just kidding. Now she's going by your ear, not kidding. So he's holding a big snake, guys. We got him to hold a big snake. Well, we call it Kitty. This is Kitty. Turn around. We got to get a back shot. We got rabbits on you or something. Oh! Just kidding. Just kidding. That was me. Jaden, come on. Let's go. What are you doing?
Oh, she's wrapped in the camera. She's camera wrapped. She's all wrapped up.
She wants to take pictures.
Oh, that's strong. Yeah.
She's like, I want this. Let's
Hey, there
go.
you go.
Did you get your arm out?
Okay, good.
Jaden, what was scarier, touching a big alligator or the snake?
Snake.
Well, the snake can't do nothing. The gator could have killed you.
Oh, gosh.
See you guys.
Thank you so much.
No problem.